Day one, no problem. I can play more games. And just 1900 is still. I lost one game. I'm got a Sri Lankan opponent. So he starts with white pieces. Sorry, Montenegro. Generally, I play 644. Now capturing. Okay, some attacking pattern is here. I can play, but yeah, he has some, let me sacrifice idea. Okay, still my knight protected. A d5 pawn. Now we'll have danger because now my d5 pawn falling. But I can capture the b6 anyway. Queen captures. Okay. Again, it's under attack. I cannot save with my queen, so okay, let's capture this. And now my bishop can play here. Bishop d6 is fine, or bishop d4. But he captured this pawn. Again, he is a pawn up now. I'm nothing to just I am connecting my rooks. I'm in danger. I'm pawn down. His rooks got active. Yeah, I'm going to attack the knight again. It's not working because the bishop really protecting that. But I'm just developing. This is under, you see. This is under attack. I cannot capture. I think I need to save knight first with my rook. Yeah, he has many attacks like this. My queen is trapped. That's been the only move, and he's happy. He can capture one more pawn. Hope he is going to capture my a7 pawn. So yeah, maybe he is going to. If he captures, then it is better for me because it's still my knight protecting. I'm playing so far. Oh, it's a check. I should be here, not do any harm. Hurry, because this pawn is need protected and I need to defend this also. What happens if I attack? I think I should attack the bishops, the knights, the strong knights. Yeah. Okay, he captured. I can capture also. But my pawn structure got a bad. Yeah, it's It's not good, bad also. Good move. Forcing me to exchange. Actually, he has extra pawn in the board, and he's just happy. And the bishop is opposite color, so he got one more pawn. Can he save this pawn? I don't think that he can save both pawns. So I'm trying to go here, attack the a pawn. Yeah, f2 pawn. I can attack the f2 pawn. If he can save here. He can save here. How can I stop this? Here, first attack this pawn. It's not good move because rook is coming here. I should not leave that second rank. I should not leave it. Major Karadzik. I have interview after 1 hour. I can improve my king here because I have nothing to do. It is an opposite color bishop endgame. But I think he materially is winning. He is saving this pawn first. This is, he can protect everything here. Check this. Okay. You can save everything. Okay. Okay, something is here, but this is the barrier. Check is not working, so yeah. Okay, let's try to here and then attack the bishop. Actually, I'm trying to reach f3, rook f3. Though I have low 2 pawn down, he is not helping me. He cannot help me. Hope I'm winning this pawn. But he can save with the rook again. Just I need to attack. I need to keep attacking this. Opposite color bishop, sometimes we can try to be make a draw, because if he is pushing here, is check working? First attack this. It's a pin. And defending everything so good. Even no chance for me to capture a pawn, and the bishop is so good, strong. Try this. My ace pawn not so good, just trying to exchange his pawns. Then I think but still he can have 2 pawn. Okay, let's capture and then hope it's working now. Can he save it? Yeah, he can save it. Still he can save it. But I have F5 push, F4 push. So let's see, I can win one of his pawn. But he's a good time also. And I have this push and hope this I'm winning a pawn. Because of pin. This is a pin, so you can take here. It is a check also. Okay. Oh, he win again. Oh. Yeah. Let's see, I can go some get some attack like this. My d6 bishop is good looking. And our time is also equal. Let's see. When equal and game, but opposite color bishop, but opponent is still one pawn up. But he's going to capture one more. Okay, he goes back, but he's not going to take it, I think. You cannot take it, but I can save my pawn. Go here. E7, try to have a check. Oh my god, I just going to miss that. But fortunately my rook is there, save it. Oh my god, what a blow. Just I need to actually see that double attack is coming. Rook check. Oh, now my rook is exchanged, then I don't know, it is going to be draw, because if the rook exchanges, opposite color bishop remains the board. Yeah, understand, see that. And maybe now I need to be careful. I need to be here or here. Now I can try this. Go here, open, go to the B file, go for a B2 check. Oh, he is observing that always. Okay. I just need to take his time here. It is not winning for me. He is just hoping for a win, but opposite color bishop is not a win game. But I'm trying to get active because of this pawn is looking good here. Maybe this is the plan. Then again rook check is actually working for me. He saw that. He is looking for that. Oh, stop my idea. Check is coming also. Maybe better I can improve my rook king position. That means my king is stuck on the ace file. Oh. Oh my god. I think I can go here. What's the plan? You cannot play here. Oh. I can attack the pawn. You can attack me. Or you have to. My time is better. So keep trying. Though it's not a win game, I know it's an almost equal, but he is really good with his extra pawn. He is going to save everything. He's going to save everything. Let's try this. I don't need to hurry because this is a trap. We cannot capture the d6 pawn anytime. Oh, I want to be here and attack his pawn. He is going to save it. Then maybe a6 first. Then this pawn is really bad, so I should try to attack this pawn. And my king is getting actively playing here. Then I can. This is hanging now, and rook cannot move that place, move that rank because I have a good check. Oh, I saw that. I'm fine. I'm just enjoying my queen, my king, and rook, bishop. His a6 pawn falling. He has low time. I can play my rook to c6 and capture here. Oh, at first it is the best moving because I am going to play my king and capture the easily with my bishop. Then I want to push the pawn. Okay, maybe only move. But he has a check actually, so it is not good. If I capture, there's a check. Oh my god. Okay, let's try. He's trying to be smart. Smarter than me. Oh, what happens here? So I want to capture, he'll push. And find a blow is not possible. Okay, let's try with my mouse pad. Save the rook. Check. I'm going to capture it. Again, check is coming. This time is low. Okay. Let's go to attack my bishop, maybe. It's 33 seconds, so and my mouse not working, my wireless mouse not working. But I'm trying. Okay. I think nothing is working here. So it's a forcing move for me. I'm going to push. I can sacrifice actually, I should. But I got a chance. I got a chance here. How can I save it? I don't know. Have a nice check. But he has a bishop move. I need to be careful. I'm not going to pre-move. His time is lost. Oh my god, I recovered my. I have no chance here. But I have careful here with my time. So I got a first win. I lost 3 games before that game. Hope you can check it in my chess.com ID or I will make videos. So enough for today. Hope you like and my video and inspire me for making regular videos. And this 2000 yellow road to 2000 yellow series, it is the first day. Signing off.